Hi first graders, welcome to Unit 5, Week 1, Day 1. Listen carefully as I say two words. Bare bone. I hear different middle sounds in the words. Only one has the R sound. B-R. Bone does not have the R sound. So we are looking for the word that says R. Arm, aim. Arm. Pat, part. Part. J, jar. Jar. March, make. March. Art, 8. Art. Heed, hard. Hard. Harp, hope. Harp. Dark, dirt. Dark. Okay, friends, let's review some of the words we learned last week. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Baby. Oh, whoops. Baby. 3, 2, 1. City. 3, 2, 1. Valley. 3, 2, 1. Funny. 3, 2, 1. Key. 3, 2, 1. Really. 3, 2, 1. Misty. 3, 2, 1. Honey. 3, 2, 1. Puppy. Okay, so we're looking for the spelling that shows light. I'll give you 3 seconds to find it. 3, 2, 1. B would be correct. If you said B, you're right. And next is sky. I'll give you 3 seconds. 3, 2, 1. Sky. Okay, BC. Okay, this week we are working on the star card, and the star card says R. Now you might want to say but remember when R's by itself it says when it's AR it says R. Okay, so here we go. R, 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 R. Okay, let's blend. R, word, far. Oh, farm. Word, farm. R, word, arm. Yard. Word, yard. I'll let you go do the next one. Word, large. Remember GE says J. Together, R, star. Oh, start. Word, start. Okay, let's look at some of these blends. Not blends, word sound parts. 3, 2, 1. R. 3, 2, 1. J. 3, 2, 1. I. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. K. 3, 2, 1. E. 3, 2, 1. Sh. 3, 2, 1. R. 3, 2, 1. Ch. 3, 2, 1. S. 3, 2, 1. R. And last of all, 3, 2, 1. O. So this was a blend, but a lot of them are just letters put together that make sounds. Okay, so like AR makes the new sound R. Okay, here we go. Let's blend. Art, word, art. Ark, word, dark. Barn, word, barn. Now we'll take turns. Your turn first. Word, car. Hard. Word, hard. Your turn. Word, yarn. Together. Arm. Word, harm. Your turn. Oh wait, your turn. Word, sharp. Together. Arf. Word, scarf. Your turn. Word, part. Together. Art. Word, chart. Your turn. Word, charge. Okay, this time you're going to do it in your head. 3, 2, 1. Had. 3, 2, 1. Hard. 3, 2, 1. Match. 3, 2, 1. March. 3, 2, 1. Smart. 3, 2, 1. Apart. That one's a tricky one. 3, 2, 1, child. 3, 2, 1, party. 3, 2, 1, coat. 3, 2, 1, fried. 3, 2, 1, hockey. 3, 2, 1, night. Okay, here's our sentence. A dog started to bark in the dark yard. Now let's read it fluently. A dog started to bark in the dark yard. Okay, here's our next one. Can a shark, remember it's not ark, AR says R, shark. Can a shark live in a barn on a farm? Okay, here we go. Can a shark live in a barn on a farm? I don't think so, huh? Okay, here we go. This is Clark will park his car in the compound word backyard. Let's read it again. Clark will park his car in the backyard. Okay, here are our high frequency words today. This is the word for. Read the word with me. For. The word for is spelled F-O-U-R. Spell the word with me. F-O-U-R. Let's write it in the air. F-O-U-R. I see 4 fish in the fish tank. So this is the way we spell the number 4. This is the word large. Read the word with me. Large. The word large is spelled L-A-R-G-E. Spell it with me. L-A-R-G-E. Let's write it in the air. L-A-R-G-E. I saw a large dog in the park. This is the word none. Read the word with me. None. The word none is spelled N-O-N-E. Spell it with me. N-O-N-E. Let's write it in the air. N-O-N-E. Ted has 1 left, but Mark has none. This is the word only. Read the word with me. Only. The word only is spelled O-N-L-Y. Spell it with me. O-N-L-Y. Let's write it in the air. O-N-L-Y. The card only costs 5 cents. This is the word put. Read the word with me. Put. The word put is spelled P-U-T. Read it with me. P-U-T. Let's write it in the air. P-U-T. Where did you put my book? This is the word round. Read the word with me. Round. The word round is spelled R-O-U-N-D. Spell it with me. R-O-U-N-D. Let's write it in the air. R-O-U-N-D. A penny is round. Okay, here's our story for today. Remember, G-E says J, so this is Gem Park. Okay, here are words you'll see. 3, 2, 1, 4. 3, 2, 1, only. 3, 2, 1, children. 3, 2, 1, there. 3, 2, their food. Their food. There. 3, 2, 1, none. 3, 2, 1, across. 3, 2, 1, goes. 3, 2, 1, round. 3, 2, 1, 1. Okay, so here we go. This says gem. Okay, we'll read the first page together, then we'll take turns. Gem Park is a large park. It has a parking lot for cars. It has a bike path for bikes. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Pathway. Ready, begin. The pathway is 4 miles. It is only for bikes. It is flat at the start. Riding is not hard. The children put on their helmets and ride. Okay, we'll do this page together. Ready, begin. The bike path winds uphill and downhill. This part passes by a cliff. The fence makes it safe, so none of the bikes will slip off. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. Stop at the hilltop and rest a moment. Look far across the land. A big red barn sits on green farmland. Okay, ready? Together, begin. The path goes by a sharp bend and then starts down a steep hill. The round bike tires go fast. Okay, your turn. Ready, begin. Ready, begin. The bike path ends at this huge rock. Rest and relax. Then you might jump on that bike and take one more lap. Okay, great. So, 2 complete sentences can be joined together with a joining word. The words and, but, and or are used to put 2 sentences together. So, here's our example. You have you march to the top of the hill, period. You look for the barn, period. Now we're going to put them together. You march to the top of the hill and you look for the barn. Do you see the difference? When I put and, I'm continuing my thought. Okay, so let's look at this example, and then we'll see if we used and, but, or. Okay, walk by the lake. Do not go in the water. Okay, those are 2 sentences. Now we're going to put them together. Walk by the lake, but do not go in the water. Did you hear the part that joined them? But join the 2 sentences together to make 1 sentence. Okay, our next one is Marge might win the prize. Charlie might win the prize. Now we're going to put the 2 sentences together. Marge might win the prize, or Charlie might win the prize. Did you hear how we used or to put the sentences together? Okay, so I'm going to read this and give you a couple seconds to find the word that puts the sentences together. It's either and, or but. Who is he and where is he from? 3, 2, 1. And would be the word. You can take the high path or you can take the low path. 3, 2, 1. Or is what puts them together. Okay, next. We were going to take a car trip, but we ran out of gas. Think of what put them together. 3, 2, 1. But. Okay, good job everyone. I'll see you tomorrow.